What up, YouTube? You should know who it is by now. Back with another video. And it's sooner than expected because the other day I got pulled over. They gave me a goddamn warning violation. So today I'll be technically adding my first mod. Today I will be adding the STO N SHO front license plate bracket. My first official unboxing. Shit hard to do one hand. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get it all out. So all it comes with is the installation procedures, the actual bracket itself. Tools. It's a simple setup. All you need is a Phillips and a 10mm ratchet. Ratchet, not a wrench, ratchet. You can screw this part in with your fingers, but I recommend tightening it a little bit with the screwdriver. Be more secure. So all I use is nuts in the back. So I don't actually have the ratchet that I need. So I'm gonna go to my coworker's house. I need a 7mm ratchet. Had to let y'all get a little bit of that Hemi flavor, you understand me? So yeah, there's 2 screws up under here that you're gonna undo.
Oh, alright. You just want me to undo them?
Yeah. They over here vibe out the goddamn DMX. That's why I fuck with Mopar people, man. Look at your boy. Get down and dirty for your boy. Yeah. Y'all just inspecting my car and I feel so disrespected. Look at this shit. I just got my car cleaned. You nasty motherfuckers. So yeah, all you do is grab that other piece right here, slide it up with the hose.
Don't be dropping shit like I do.
Don't drop it. Screw it in. Then we good to go. And make sure y'all have the latch on the right side. Just, y'all didn't know. And all that's left to do, just add your license plate. Yeah. Pull that latch, add it on, you good to go. That's the final product. Ain't going nowhere. Nice little short, sweet video, just in case y'all didn't know how to do that. But yeah, tap in with me. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll holla.